Good morning, friends. Good morning to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about coronavirus. It may peak in the month of June, July 2020, as per Kota Chakra. No, I've just written an article on this, and I mentioned the link in this video. Kota Chakra, Purma Chakra, Kal Chakra, Rashi Sangata Chakra, together with the Rudramsha chart, are proving a boon for predictions. And whatever predictions have been made according to them, they are absolutely correct. I've already predicted the dates in all my articles, but just for the new viewers, they may be curious to know when will we be free from these confinements and imprisonment like happenings in in our day-to-day routine work. In this article, I am predicting the different stages when coronavirus will start to lose grounds, and slowly it may disappear, but it will take a long time. The key dates are 27th of July. 27th of July, you see Jupiter, the court Swami, is going in the central zone. It is good for the court Swami to go in the central zone, but unfortunately, it is fallen and it is retrograde. It may not be able to give the beneficence what is required. But as a rule, when Jupiter, the court Swami, goes inside the court in a good zone, then you can expect some relief. So, taking a positive stance, I am starting from 27th of July. In fact, after 17th of July, Sun also gets out of the grip of Rahu and Ketu. So together, using Sun, because primarily Sun, the luminaries, they are our life force. So taking a positive stance, I say from 27th July. Then 22nd August, the luminaries also go in the central zone and they give beneficence along with Jupiter. So, and the next is then according to Kal Chakra, you see Ketu, the disease karka, and the nakshatra lord of the solar eclipse of 26th December 2019 is in the east. It is in the power. It is taking away all the power. It is with 5 more planets. So in the Kal Chakra. So when it changes sign, it goes in the Ishan, and the blessings of God on the 20th of September. You can see in my article, the diagram is there. Then there will be some blessings, and the virus can subside after that. Then the other factor is that Jupiter Jupiter is the Kot Swami. This Kota Chakra has been drawn according to the 26th December 2019 eclipse, because whatever is happening at that time we have to draw the Kota Chakra, and as per that the Kota Swami is Jupiter, the Kot Pal is Saturn, and coincidentally Jupiter is the ninth lord of the natural zodiac, Saturn is the 10th lord of the natural zodiac, and nothing can happen before Saturn and Jupiter activate any house in astrology. So, but unfortunately, both are placed in Capricorn, and in Capricorn, less than 10 degrees is Nigdar Dereshkon. That is why, after Jupiter and Saturn went in Capricorn, Saturn went in Capricorn on the 24th of January, and Jupiter went on 30th of March. So you can see for yourself, you can analyze it for yourself that after 24th of January, the world is facing conditions like confinement, confined in the houses, imprisonment, imprisonment in the house. We are not able to go out because of this virus. So until unless these two planets they get out of, they cross the 10 degrees mark, we will not get any major relief from confinement and imprisonment like situations. After 20th of September, the date is coming that Jupiter will cross 10 degrees on the 5th of January. What is Jupiter? Jupiter is the most benefic planet among all the planets. It's a 100% benefic planet. So after 5th of January, it will bestow good things. It will bestow, the normal infrastructure, the normal business, the business transactions will start taking place, which have, as a matter of fact, stopped and confined to their limitations at the moment. And 25th January, Saturn will cross 10 degrees. And Saturn, both are also in Mrityu Bhag. You see, the first degree, 6 degrees is in the even sign is Mrityu Bhag. So both are weak. So once they cross the 10-degree mark, they will become strong and they will bestow good things to the complete world. But mind you, friends, Saturn will still remain in a bad zone in the Kota Chakra. So irrespective that we all the businesses, all the work starts to work normally, we will have to maintain certain constraints. Maybe we have to wear the mask, maybe we have to maintain the social distancing and other things. We may have to use the mask for quite some time till Saturn and Jupiter both are placed in good zones in the Kota Chakra. And that will happen, my dear friends, on the 18th February 2022. So it's going to take a long time. So this coronavirus will live with us. It will change our total style. And the other thing is, whenever Jupiter and Saturn, when they get together, they bring a massive change in the world, in the way we work, in the way we live. And all this is going to happen, friends. But the good thing is that slowly and slowly the woes will go down. But till 27th of July, the planetary positions are extremely bad. I would say we can also say till 17th of July, but 27th of July, Jupiter goes in a better zone. So till 27th of July, the planetary positions, primarily speaking, are not good. So in June also, in the month on 30th June, Jupiter is going to go back in Sagittarius as a fallen planet in the 22nd Dreshkon of India, and as a fallen planet and the 8th lord, it is not good for, it is going in the house where the eclipse has taken place, and which is the 8th house. So violence, religious fundamentalism, and uh, and uh, what do you call the COVID spreading cannot be ruled out. So primarily, we can say that June till June and July will be the peak months for coronavirus, and after that, slowly and slowly, we will get in ease. So, wishing you all the best, friends. This is what I wanted to convey, that we should be prepared. We should maintain the social distancing. We should take care of our health. We should take care of all the restrictions which have been imposed by the government and which are all in our benefit. So, with that, I will say good luck and bye bye, friends.